Hello and welcome. Let's solve another exciting question. Alright, the question says 2 to the power of root s is equals to 5, which is equation 1, and 5 to the power of root y is equals to 8, which is equation 2. We want us to find the value of what? The cube root of what? X, y. So how are we going to find it? So I'm going to be working with equation 1. Alright, so here I'm having 2 to the power of root what? Root s equals to what? 5. Alright, so I'll be manipulating this equation 1 in order to get, I'll manipulate my equation 1 in order to get my equation 2. So if I do that, I'm just, that's just a simple trick there. Alright, so what will I do for me to have 8 here? For me to have 8 here, I will just cube both sides. So if I cube those sides, I'm going to have this as 2 to the power of what? Root s, or to the power of what? 3 equals to 5 to the power of what? 3. Alright, and you recall carefully that from the law of indices, you can bring in 3 and take out what? Root s. So this is going to be what? 2 to the power of 3, or to the power of what? Root s, which is equals to what? 5 to the power of 3. Alright, so 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but what? 8. So we are going to have 8 to the power of what? Root s, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 5 to the power of 3. Alright, so now don't forget from our equation 2, we already have 8 to be equals to what? 5 to the power of what? Root y. So we are going to substitute equation 2 into this equation here, because 8 is equals to what? 5 to the power of what? Root y. So let's substitute for 8. 5 to the power of root y to the power of what? Root s is equals to what? 5 to the power of 3. Alright, so root y multiplied by root s is going to give us what? Root xy. 5 to the power of what? Root sy equals to 5 to the power of 3. So this we cancel out this. So we left with what? Root sy to be equals to what? 3. So if I cube both sides now, I'm going to have, if I square both sides rather, not cube. If I square both sides, so this will go with this, then xy will be equals to what? 9. But don't forget, we are asked to find what? We are asked to find the cube root of what? Xy. But we've gotten the value of sy to be what? 9. So now let's find the cube root now. So the cube root of sy will be equals to the cube root of what? Of 9. So the cube root of 9 is nothing but, you can just resolve this. You can leave your answer like this if you like, or you can decide to break this down if you. So you can decide to solve further. If you do that, you know our 9 here is 3 to the power of 2. So it's going to be the cube root of 3 to the power of 2. So this we can further write this as 3 to the power of 3 over 2. So it's either you leave your answer like this, or like this, or like this. So you are correct. Alright. So thanks for watching.